So example 1, if our vector P is 8, is 6, 3, and Q is 14, negative 16, and R is a point on PQ such that we have this, PR is equal to a third RQ. Find the coordinates of R. I can draw for you a simple diagram here to understand what we are talking about. I'm having my point P and then my point Q. Then they are saying R is a point on PQ. It is somewhere, the R. So I need to find my OR such that I can state the coordinates of R. To get my OR, I need to move from O, then arrive to R. So I can take from O to P, then from P to R. Another person can say that my OR, I can move from O to Q, that is OQ, then plus from Q to R, that is QR. So there are various alternatives or ways of getting the OR. Then you look at, I'm going to use this one, you look at the vectors if you have them. The OP has been given in the question, then the PR has also been talked about in the question. So in the question, they told us that the PR is just a third RQ. This is a ratio which has been given in the question. So if I divide that side by the RQ and that way by the RQ, so I'll be having PR all over RQ as 1 all over 3. So that means that the PR takes on the ratio of 1, and then the RQ takes on the ratio of 3. To get my PR, that is, it has a ratio of 1 on the line PQ, so the total ratio on line PQ is 4, then times the vector PQ. Then to get my vector PQ, it's just very easy because I'm having the P and the Q. Well, my PQ is going to be equal to my OQ minus the OP. So when I substitute them, I have 14 minus 16 minus 6, 8. So when I subtract them, I get 8. When I subtract, I'm getting negative 24. Then I come back here. My OR is going to be equal to my OP from the question, 6, 8. Then plus the PR. The PR is equal to 1 all over 4. PQ, I've already got my PQ here, which is 8 negative 24. Remember, I multiplied scalars by the vector. So 6, 8 plus, you get a 2 there and then a negative 6 there. So when I add 6 plus 2, I get 8, and then 6 plus negative 6, I get a 2. That is my OR. Therefore, I conclude that the coordinates of R are, that is 8, negative 2.